Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today I am going to explain you about the amazing assignment, Social Studies class 3. The topic is, here we have mind map and new words, right? So I think you have already idea about the mind map. Mind map means with the help of some flowcharts, we need to understand the summary of the data, right? So look at here, they are given the flowchart and these are empty, right? So this is regarding to the transport and communication. First, let me give you explanation. So when it comes to transport, we have means of transport. Here we have means of communication, right? So it is mainly divided into three types, right? We have air transport, water transport, and land transport, right? When it comes to the means of communication, it is mainly divided into individual communication and mass communication, right? So I'm going to tell you about all these things. So let me move to the next one so that I will give you explanation. So look at here, this is the answer. Here we have means of transport, opposite side we have means of communication, right? So look at here, we have land transport, water transport and air transport. So means of transport is mainly divided into land transport, water transport and air transport, right? So under land transport, you can see the vehicles which are passing through by road or rails, right? Best example for vehicles that comes under the land transport are bus, truck, train, metro. Like these are the examples of land transport. When it comes to the water transport, we have ship, boat, right? So we already discussed about this. These vehicles are passing through the water, right? And air transport. So under air transport, we have aeroplane and helicopter, right? So helicopter, you can see, right, a lot of politicians used this helicopter to travel from one state to another state, right? So when it comes to the means of communication, it is mainly divided into two types, individual communication and mass communication. Here the term individual itself determines that it is dealing with one person. That means you have lot of privacy. So best examples are postal service, telephone and smartphones, right? So this conversation goes with the single person. So there is lot of privacy in individual communication. When it comes to mass communication, best examples are television and internet, which means there are a lot of people are watching these conversations. So all this comes under mass communication. So we completed the first one. Moving to the second one, that is match the columns. So look at here, match the unscrambled words. So these are the scrambled words, these are the correct words, right? We need to unscramble the given words. Look at here, CSTPIR. So the correct one is D, script. So we need to write D here. Wait. So D. Script in the sense we write letters and some text, right? It is nothing but script. Moving to the next one, AHRUROB. So this is the scrambled word. The correct word is harbor, HARBOUR. So we need to write E here, right? So harbor in the sense it is a place where all the ships are anchored, right? Moving to the next one, PHIPCATROG. So this is the scrambled word. The correct word is pictograph, right? So we need to write A here. Pictograph. Pictograph in the sense, so in the ancient days, people used the drawings and some other symbols, right, for the purpose of communication. It is nothing but pictographs. With the help of drawings, people used to communicate it. So this is called as pictograph. Moving to the next one, UAELTIOBMO. So the correct answer is automobile. So we need to write B here. So answer is automobile. Automobile in the sense, if a machine which has four wheels or which is used for transportation purpose, it is called as automobile. Best examples are vehicles like car, jeeps, trucks, all these comes under automobile. Moving to the next one, NILTAENRONIAT. It is a scrambled word. The correct word is international. So we need to write C here. International in the sense, for example, we have a lot of international airports, right? Which means international means a lot of countries are involved, right? For example, when it comes to domestic airports, the planes they will move within the country only. But when it comes to international, we can move to the different countries, right? This is simply about the match the columns. That means match the unscrambled words. The answer is D, E, A, B, C. Thank you.